Welcome to today's tutorial on adjusting your screen resolution in Windows 11. Whether you're aiming for better clarity, more screen space, or a more comfortable viewing experience, this guide will walk you through the steps to customize your display settings effectively. First, go to your taskbar and right-click on the Start icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Then, inside the Settings window, select the System section, which is usually the very first option. Finally, click on Display. Next, scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Here, you'll find the Display Resolution setting. Then, click on the drop-down menu under Display Resolution. A list of available resolutions for your monitor will appear. Finally, choose the resolution that best suits your needs. Windows will typically recommend the optimal resolution for your display. A prompt will appear asking if you want to keep the changes. If the display looks correct, click Keep Changes. If not, you can revert to the previous setting. Adjusting your display resolution in Windows 11 is straightforward. By following these steps, you can tailor your screen's appearance to your preferences, enhancing your overall computing experience.